Welcome to the Seller Roundtable e-commerce coaching and business strategies with Andy Arnott and Amy Wees.
So first off, I'm gonna let's take since I've got this product tracked for a while, I'm gonna use this as the example. So index checker, say you are selling this product and for some reason you're not getting traction or seeing many results. Index checker. And you're wondering what's going on. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get your ASIN. Now you can check by keywords or phrases. Generally, Amazon is more phrase-based now for relevancy, so I like to use phrase. If you're going to use phrases, you would just separate the phrase by a comma. You can extend this box out. The reason we have these separated like this is if you're checking, say, your title, a bullet point, or something like that, it'll actually tell you if that keyword's indexed in this line or in this line. So it'll let you know really if those keywords are separate or are indexed and by which section of your listing. So that's what those rows are for. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's do essential oil and essential oil sets. You can see here I've got it separated by a comma. We're going to go ahead and hit check now. This actually checks real time, so you're not going to get like data that's cached or anything like that. So you can see here that essential oil is indexed. It says true here, and it says essential oil set. We are not indexed. So if we had an essential oil set, if this was something that we were really trying to focus on, what we'd want to do is make sure that we add this phrase to our listing more prevalently. So maybe if it's really important, of course, in the title. If not as important, then bullet points and description, or maybe even in the back end. Just kind of depends on what how aggressive you want to be on targeting that phrase. So that's pretty much how this works. And like I said, this is useful to make sure that if you've got important keywords that aren't indexed, you can go back to your listing and make some edits to make sure that you get indexed for those phrases. Generally, relevancy is, there's a lot of different factors, but one of the main factors is how many times this phrase is seen within your listing. So, if Amazon doesn't see this phrase in your listing at all, it won't index for it. There are times where it could index for it. If for some reason you were doing PPC or something on this keyword and it's converted, you might still index for that, but generally that's not the case. You won't even show on PPC if you don't have that in your listing.
Thanks for tuning in. Join us every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for live Q&A and bonus content after the recording at sellerroundtable.com. Sponsored by the ultimate software tool for Amazon sales and growth, sellerseo.com and amazingathome.com.